Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving through Yallahs. Now Yallahs is in the parish of St. Thomas. It's a major town between Kingston and Morant Bay. So recently it was announced that the government is going to be doing major renovations to the Yallahs Market. So we're going to go through an article that gives you more information on what they plan to do. Now, this roadway between Kingston and Morant Bay has been renovated. They built a highway, a 4-lane superhighway, kind of road you would find in a first world country. Very nicely done. From Kingston to just on the outskirts of Yallahs, by the Yallahs Bridge, they built the 4-lane highway. Between Yallahs and Morant Bay, it's 2 lanes. But this road is a game changer for St. Thomas. Game changer. It has put St. Thomas back on the map. So a lot of infrastructure is being upgraded in St. Thomas. The fire station in St. Thomas. The fire station in Yallahs was recently renovated, and a lot of gas stations are going up, plazas, a lot of infrastructure, a lot of developments is happening on this side of the island. So the government is going to now upgrade the market. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on what they plan to do. Minister of Local Government and Community Development, Honorable Desmond Mackenzie, has announced that the St. Thomas Municipal Corporation now has possession of the Yallahs Market and that renovations are slated to take place. Speaking at the handover of a new 2-bedroom unit under the Indigent Housing Program in Seafort St. Thomas, the minister said that the property was leased to a former councillor for more than 25 years and was not to be operated as a market. The vendors had to sit outside the gate of the market. They can't enter the market. We gave a commitment that when the lease expired, we would not extend the lease to any other individual. That lease has expired. The St. Thomas Municipal Corporation now has possession of the market, the minister said. As soon as the estimates are completed, the ministry will provide the funds to renovate the Yallahs Market so that the vendors can finally go back in the market and ply their trade and be better than they are today. It's a commitment that we made and we are fulfilling that commitment, he added. Alright guys, so that's the end of the update article. So let us know what you think. Very interesting that you would lease. Well, we won't get involved in that part. The important thing is that they have plans to renovate the market. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us today. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.